You have been lied to, not by some foreign government or conspiracy theory, but by the very culture that told you that the rest of the world is dangerous, dirty, and poor. They said, don't leave the US. It's unsafe out there. Meanwhile, you're paying $2,000 a month for health insurance you barely use, rent keeps climbing, and you need permission from the government just to enjoy your own life. What if I told you that the real danger is staying stuck where you are? Hi, I'm Justin Keltner, and this is Entrepreneur Expat. And today we're breaking down the biggest lies that keep Americans stuck in fear, and we're going to talk about why more of us are choosing to live free abroad. If you're interested in things like that and things like international taxes, moving abroad, getting visas in another country, as well as residency and citizenship, and how to move yourself, your family, and your business overseas, subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you hit that notification bell. We really appreciate it, and it helps us make sure that you never miss any upcoming content on this topic. And by the way, if you're a high net worth individual and you're interested in relocating to another country without sacrificing comfort, income, or security, then go to the link below at entrepreneurexpat.com/consult, and we can help you figure out exactly how to do that step by step. We have advisors on legal matters, tax issues, visas and immigration, and so much more around the world, so we can help you take the first step on that plan. Now, my wife and I left the US years ago, and what we discovered completely shattered every myth we'd been told about living overseas. So let's jump into one of those right now. The first myth is the world is dangerous. We're going to start with that lie. Here's the truth. Statistically, many countries actually have lower violent crime rates than major US cities. We're going to show you another video here around this one where we talked about the crime statistics in Mexico and how they actually compare to the US and how those specific things apply to expats so that you can get some more concrete examples. But realistically, we walk around at night in Mexico, in Europe, and in Colombia, and we felt safer than we ever did in parts of even LA or New York or Miami. The danger narrative is really the marketing. It keeps you scared, insured, and glued to the evening news. Here's the next lie, which is the rest of the world is low quality. That's just objectively false. There are so many things here in Mexico, in Central and Eastern Europe, and in Colombia, and so many other parts of the world that we've gotten to experience where the quality in so many other things is actually better than in the US. For example, here in Guadalajara, you can rent a luxury apartment for less than half the price of a studio in most cities in the US. And the difference isn't just quality, it's also in values. Most of the world values community, simplicity, and actual joy over the hustle and the burnout culture. Lie number 3, if you get sick abroad, you are totally doomed. Here's the reality. People literally fly overseas for surgery from places like the US because healthcare is cheaper, faster, and more personalized, and from places like Canada because even though it might be a little bit more than the free healthcare system in Canada, it's a hell of a lot faster. And if you need something urgently, you're able to get it done here in Mexico or in Southeast Asia or so many other places around the world. We've even seen private hospitals abroad that look like 5-star hotels and have at least the same quality of equipment and doctors as in the US, if not better, for a tenth of the price or less. In fact, a specialist visit here might cost $40 or $50 in Mexico compared to $200, $300, or $400 in a place like the US. And the only real sick system is the one that charges you a month's salary for an ER visit. I mean, I've had ER visits in the US where I didn't have insurance and they never even ended up having to do anything. It was a simple consult, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 just for coming in there and spending 10 minutes with the doctor. You don't find that here. You can go to a doctor that's next to the pharmacy and you're probably out 10 or 15 bucks, including the medicines that you need. Maybe a little bit more. Like maybe if it's something serious, you're talking $50, $60, $100 for a doctor or an urgent care visit. Something like that in the US is going to easily cost you hundreds, if not thousands. I had one time where I got a stomach virus, and it didn't happen very often, but this was in my first couple of years living in Mexico. Got a stomach bug from eating some bad street tacos. Hey, it happens to the best of us. And I was in the ER for over 12 hours. I had a bed there. I had an IV with a bunch of drips. They did all sorts of tests. I was feeling really, really bad. Saw a gastro specialist and everything. The total bill came out to less than $400. That same thing in the US would have been upwards of $5,000 today. I'm very glad that it happened in Mexico and not in the US or Canada. Here's a very common lie, another one, which is you won't have good internet or be able to make money. Well, tell that to the millions of remote workers, YouTubers, and online entrepreneurs, including us, running global businesses, in some cases 6- and 7-figure businesses from their laptops. We've had fiber optic internet in small towns in Mexico, including the one we live in the Chapala area, that have faster internet than what we pay Comcast for in the States. In fact, literally here, we were getting about a gig up and down. It's reliable. It's 99.99% uptime, if not more. And we have much better connectivity than our Comcast was in the US. So it's not only not worse, it's actually significantly better. And the only thing that's stopping you from earning abroad is believing that you can't. Now, here's another one. So the fifth lie is you'll lose opportunities if you leave. That's not true at all. Here's the secret. Opportunity is global. While everyone is fighting for scraps in oversaturated markets in the US, the rest of the world is booming. Real estate, digital services, tourism, entrepreneurship, and more. The world at large is not closing, it's actually opening to those who look to dare beyond their own borders. Lie number 6 is something we hear a lot. It's too complicated to move abroad. The truth, it's never been easier. Digital nomad visas, investor residencies, and relocation experts like us. Book that call below, by the way, if you want our help. entrepreneurexpat.com/consult. We exist to guide you through every step of the way. You don't need to be rich. You just need to be resourceful and willing to question the script. So the biggest lie is not that the world is dangerous. It's that staying where you are is safe, because safety without freedom is just a prettier form of fear. So if you've ever felt that pull, that like quiet whisper in the back of your head that says there's much more than this to life, maybe you should listen to it, because the world is waiting for you. And it's a lot more beautiful, affordable, and free that you've been told. Thank you for checking us out here today on Entrepreneur Expat. Thank you for being the best part of our community. We love having you here. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you again on the next one.